Hello friends, I am Sritish and I am glad to present our innovation PhytoSaver. We are from Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur, Odisha and we are class 11 students. Now let us look at our problem statement. Here is a list of 4 problem statements. First, excessive watering or less watering. Irregularity in watering. Both reduces the growth of the plant and fertility of the soil. Wastage of water. As you may see from 1900 to 2000, there is a huge increase in the usage of water in agricultural sector and there is also an increase in the wastage of water in it. So we need a solution to this. Reducing the labor cost for the farmers is also an important factor. Our solution. A simple solution can eliminate a large number of problems related to it. So this is the structure of our product. As you may see, here is a plant and a moisture sensor attached to it. We have a control unit, a relay, a solenoid and a water outlet for supplying water. Once the sensor senses that the soil is dry or the moisture content in the soil is very low, then it sends signal to the control unit and the control unit then opens the relay. Now the water will pass through the solenoid and the soil will get wet. And then once again the soil moisture will sense that the soil is wet. Now this time the control unit will close the relay and the solenoid will be closed. So no water will be allowed. Our prototype. This is the initial phase of our prototype. So there is a lot that can be improved in it and we are looking forward it. Now the testing part. Hello friends, now let's see how it works. As you may see, this is our control unit. It has the Arduino and a relay in it, and here is our moisture sensor which senses the moisture content in the soil. And for now watering we are using a submersible pump, but in our project we would use a solenoid. Now let's give the power. As you may see, we are using two power supplies, a AC for that submersible pump and a DC one that is for Arduino. As you may see, once power is supplied, the moisture sensor senses that there is no moisture in the soil and water is needed. And here the green light glows, that means that the water has to be allowed. So therefore the pump ons and then water flows through it. Now once the water reaches up to that level of moisture sensor, a red light glows and the water is stopped. Let me show you how accurate this moisture sensor is. Now you may see there is water in the soil and hence a red light glows, that is water is not allowed. Now once I take this out, the red light then stops and water is then flows through the soil. And once I place again in it, the red light again glows. You may see it. This is quite accurate. Now let us look at our competitors. The available products in the markets are a water timer, drip irrigation, a IoT based system. And the prices of them are 750, 400, 5800 and 1000. As you may see, the manufacturing cost of a product would be around 900. So the market price of our product will be around less than 2000. So what makes our product different from others? Our product can be installed in the existing water system in your garden or field, anywhere you want to install that. Our product is compact and cost efficient and can be fully automated. Who can use our product or the applications of our product? As you may see, our product can be applied in large fields and can also be used in household watering systems. In large fields, they would have soil moisture sensors in it and solenoids in it, so they would be interconnected. So we can then supply water to a large field.
and also to a single plant in a. Now, what if we got selected? So if we got selected, we have a large list of things to be developed. So first, we would attach a GSM module and make it more automated so that the person can access or can water the plants and fields from places from anywhere. We also want to integrate all those circuitry works into one board. We want to convert that into a PCB, and we have another phase of its development too. We were planning to use flow sensors as solenoid in it so that we can track the leakage of water in the field, or we can close that immediately. And we also need proper guidance for the product to be fabricated and market ready. This is my team, me and my friend Ritesh Kumar Naik. That's all. Thank you.